Welcome back. The Union Tourism Ministry has sanctioned nearly 79 crore rupees towards several key infrastructure, heavy tourism projects involving a golf course, helicopter tourism and a luxury cruise ship hub. Minister of State for Tourism Chiranjeevi told this to the Rajya Sabha on Thursday. MP Shantaram Naik had raised this question in the House.
In his written reply to a question by Congress MP from Goa, Shantaram Naik, the minister said that the Union Ministry has sanctioned 8 projects worth 79 crore rupees under the 11th 5-year plan and 2 other projects for 50 lakhs for the current financial year. The priority projects listed by Chiranjeevi in the reply involved setting up of golf course and luxury cruise at Goa's only major port terminal, helicopter tourism, development of tourism circuits at Kanduri and Kalangut, both popular beach villages in North Goa, and promotion of cultural fiestas like the Carnival and Shigmo, both traditional Catholic and Hindu festivities held annually. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Additional Session Court heard the matter on cricket ticket scam of 2001. However, main accused Dayanand Narvekar and Vinod Phadke were not present for the hearing. Court has allowed exemption to both of them from remaining present. The accused had earlier approached the High Court seeking to drop the charges against them, but the High Court quashed the petition. Next hearing on the framing of charges is scheduled on 22nd August. Former Law Minister Dayanand Narvekar, who was also holding the post as President of GCA, and current GCA President Vinod Phadke were absent for the hearing at the Additional Session Court in Madgaon on Thursday. Most of the accused were not present for the hearing. The ticket scam had rocked Goa during the ODI match between India and Australia in 2001.
This state versus Dayanand Narvekar was called out today. Accused number 1 and 2 was absent, but accused number 1 was permanently accepted and his counsel was present. Secondly, this only on accused number 9 the warrant was issued. Now matter is fixed on 22nd of this month morning, and it is fixed for this framing of charge. Actually, charge was already framed. One of the accused has not explained the charge, so it is fixed for framing of charge on next day.
Next hearing on the matter is scheduled on 22nd August. Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent. Shipping Minister G.K. Vasan has agreed to revise the payment of Class 3 and Class 4 employees of the MPT by 10.5% fitment benefits. 5 federations at all India level attached to port sector met Vasan on 7th August. Union leader A.J. Peters has said that mining ban has affected the MPT funds and VRS applications of 250 employees are awaiting funds from central government.
5 federations at all India level attached to port sectors met Shri G.K. Vasan, Honorable Shipping Minister, at New Delhi on 7th August in relation to wage revision and other issues.
Union is not involved in VRS.
Okay.
It's a exercise and they are going to implement it. We have nothing to say on that. Those who are willingly want to go, they have given the VRS. Until money is made available, these people will not be going. And Union cannot talk about going to some employee going home. We cannot talk, no. We are not supporting that. It's a management exercise. They will decide what is to be done. And we have MPT fund now. What my statement tells that he is asking fund from the central government. If the fund is available, then he may send the people.
Class 3 and 4 employees of the MPT will get 10.5% hike as fitment benefits. Union will meet Union Shipping Minister Vasan on 21st and 23rd to discuss pension and promotion increment issues.
10.5 increase they have agreed to give, and all the 5 federation has agreed to that. Yeah, it is per 5. Composite pay pension to be given to the employee those who are retiring. So far they have not agreed. And on promotion, what is the increment formula they are going to give, we do not know. That we want to discuss. And to mouth for our salary, and there is no money with support.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Police Inspector Vishwesh Karpe will now have to perform social service as a punishment. This punishment is given to PI Karpe in a verdict by State Police Complaints Authority. PI Karpe will have to educate 10 panchayats about the existence, functioning and procedure followed by GSPCA. Karpe is facing this punishment for showing laxity in filing FIR in Cipriano death case.
Vishwesh Karpe had refused to register FIR in the custodial death case of NRI Ciprian Fernandez. It happened on January 15, 2011. Cipriano was arrested by Panji police for allegedly trying to attack a woman. He was allegedly tortured in the police lockup. Several policemen, including the then police inspector Sandesh Sodankar, were suspended pending inquiry. Cipriano was declared dead at Goa Medical College after he was admitted in ICU. Social activist Jovet D'Souza had filed a complaint against PI Vishwesh Karpe for refusing to register the FIR relating to the custodial death of Ciprian. After inquiry, GSPCA chairman RMS Khandeparkar has found PI Vishwesh Karpe guilty. He has directed Karpe to perform a social service to educate members of 10 different village panchayats of his choice. Education will include aspects like existence, functioning, purpose and utility as well as the complaint disposal procedure followed by the GSPCA. Order also make it clear that each village panchayat shall be from different talukas and 5 of them shall be from north and rest from south district. GSPCA has also directed PI Karpe to carry out social service even if he is not on duty. On the performance of such service, inspector shall file the report within 15 days to the IGP as well as with the office authority. Order suspends disciplinary action against the erring PI for 1 year, but if the inspector is found involved in other such misconduct, then proceedings will start immediately. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.